Let me just... Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today. There's a... Sorry. Thank you guys for joining me today. We're doing a collab. Ugh, I'm so awkward. I cannot make an intro. I probably should get this gum out of my mouth. Let me just... that'll be a present for someone else. Anyway, so today I am actually collabing with Noelle. If you guys don't know, I've collabed with her a few other times in the past, and we're doing it again. And we both decided that it would be so fun if we picked each other a really crazy makeup look that we would have to do. So funny thing is we both picked a rainbow look. Like, I sent her one and she was like, excuse me, I picked you one too, that's a rainbow look. And so we were just like, okay, let's do some rainbow looks. So she sent me this photo. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Now this is a very challenging look, very beautiful. Like, this girl, phenomenal. She's so hot looking. I could never look like that. And I'm not gonna do like the whole like fake freckle thing and all that. I'm gonna try and attempt this look that she did. Of course, I don't have like star stamps or something, and I don't have the like rhinestones, so I'm gonna make it like my own, but I'm gonna try and copy it the best I can. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna play with makeup and try and create this look. And since it is a challenge that Noelle gave me, if we mess it up, it's totally fine because it looks very hard for me to do. Oh wait, you know what? I didn't even like pre-pick out what I'm gonna use, so I should probably do that. 1 second. Okay, so I've picked out several palettes that I'm gonna use because I'm not gonna use just one. So I have the e.l.f. liquid, what is this even called? It's bling bling. This is the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow that's kind of like the Stila. I should zoom you in. Boom. This is the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow. And then I picked out an array of palettes that I can use that are colorful, since this is a very colorful look. I have the ABH Norvina little baby palette here for some pinks and purples. The ColourPop Just My Luck, maybe if I need to use a green, I'm not sure. ColourPop Lilac You a Lot, if I need to use the purple shades in here. ColourPop Blue Moon. See, this is why having colorful palettes really works out. I actually decluttered. I had like, I think 20 ColourPop palettes at one point, and I really don't have any more. That for yellow, ABH Norvina baby here for maybe yellow and green, I'm not sure. And then lastly, this the Violet Voss Sparkling Cherry Limeade palette here for like colorful shimmer, maybe. I don't know. We have these here, and that's gonna be the palettes I'm just gonna go into. And yeah, so if you guys enjoy collab videos, definitely let me know down below. You guys, you are sleeping on Noelle right now. You are sleeping. I would literally be more honored if you go over and subscribe to her channel, because you guys, she's such a great YouTuber. She makes really amazing videos. She's funny, she's so cute, and I love her. I watch all of her videos that she puts out, and I'm honestly so blessed as a person to have found Noelle. Actually, she reached out to me first, but it was like a blessing in disguise because she's like one of the best friends that I honestly really need in my life. So it would mean so much if you go and support her. Go subscribe. Go watch the eyeshadow look that I picked out for her to do. Go watch and see how she creates it. I think hers is gonna come out so amazing because she is so talented, okay? She knocks eyeshadow looks out of the park. I know I'm going on and on and on, and you guys are probably like, just show me, but like, I just really need to like speak on Noelle really quick because she's just phenomenal, and she really, she's not, to me, getting enough support. Does that make sense? Like, I just feel like she needs to just blow up because she's just that fantastic of a person. But anyways, enough is enough. We're gonna get into the actual makeup look here. So thumbs the video up, comment down below, go check out Noelle, subscribe if you want, if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna zoom you in and get started. Actually, I should probably get some brushes first, shouldn't I? Okay, let me zoom you in. Hello. Let me get my picture for reference. Got it? Okay. Towel for wipies. I feel like I need to like adjust the camera. No, I just need to adjust myself. Oh, I have an idea. Hold on, let me just... See, I can adjust myself. Okay, let's get into it. Let's start this rainbow look. I'm gonna like pop the picture here again so you can kind of see what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna start out in the inner corner with orange on top is what we're going for. Let me find a good orange shade. Maybe I'll go in with Norvina really quick. I haven't used this yet. Do I want to go light or do I want to go bright? I think I want to do light and then like bright, transition it into bright. I think I need a smaller brush actually than that. I feel like that one's gonna be too thick because I don't want to like mess up. So I just grabbed two of my favorite Morphe brushes. They're both the M321. I love them. So we're gonna use these and we're gonna start this look out with yeah, we're just gonna, let's do it. Okay, wish me luck. Wow, that's bright. And I'm using the light one. Wow. Wow, I didn't expect this to be so bright. Also, my struggle here is going to be that this eye is actually smaller than this eye. So hopefully I can get it to look as even as possible. Oh wait, this orange color is like really in her inner corner. Okay, hold on. And I'm gonna try and fast forward as much as possible so this video isn't like boring to you guys, so we can just like get to the point and get on with the next. This looks kind of funny. Okay, let me like do the darker orange really quick. Could you imagine that this was like the fashion and we're just all going around looking like this? Like it looks like an ant or something. Okay, what's next? Then we have, I think it's pink and then purple and then blue. What does this purple look like? That's too dark, not bright enough. Pink, purple, and then blue. Got it. I mean, this is kind of a, no, maybe not that one. I don't know which shade I want to do. Maybe, actually none of these shades are looking exactly like they look on my fingers. I think my like lighting is wrong. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with this one and do the pink and do that. You know, this is looking kind of like ridiculous. I hope that it like turns out looking okay because I look really weird. Okay, now let's do purple. I'm probably gonna take like this zoned out shade. Hold on, I don't even like ever take the plastic off of my stuff, but I like want to see what I'm doing. I hate having two different eyes. It makes everything so difficult. Okay, now let's try the blue. It's not even. I want to like darken the blue up a little bit. This is so terrible. Okay, I kind of want to blend because the way that she has hers, it's like all the way up to the brow. And I feel like I messed up by not doing it all the way up to the brow. So we're just gonna like try and do some blending maybe. I'm glad that this is a challenge and I'm allowed to not be good at it. Oh no, this is bad. I feel like I need more purple and the colors are just not looking the same. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer to try and like, I don't know, draw a line for my sparkly sparkle that we're gonna try and do. Absolutely wish me luck. I have hooded eyes, so this is gonna be really hard. I'm already messed up. I'm not a makeup artist. Can you tell? It's like, this is so comical because it's so bad. You know what, we're gonna fix this. We're just gonna add this all over the lid because why not? I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna let this dry and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna turn this off. Okay, it's kind of dried now, so I kind of want to fix it a little bit. Actually, there's no going up from here, so I don't even know how I would be able to fix it. I don't know, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, let me put some sort of like highlight up here, because like there's highlight. Maybe I should just make it a little thicker. I think it needs to be thicker. Thicker than a snicker, because the picture shows it thicker. I feel like it's the pink that's really messing this look up because it's so bright on camera that it's like, I don't know. And I definitely need to darken up the purple now because I feel like maybe the purple is a little too light. Let's do a darker purple. I think that helped. Oh yeah, that looks way better. And then like a light purple to blend them. Maybe, I don't know. And then we'll use this darker blue. I really hate having two different eye shapes. Now I'm gonna try and just like blend a little bit. This looks really bad. Let me grab some highlighter. I'm gonna use a Jack & No highlighter and add it up here just like she does in the photo. So about here. Okay, now we're gonna do the inner corner down below. Yeah, we're gonna go, this is a legit palette, right? I need to use this. I should probably use it more because I've never used it until now, but my God, this is good. Let's do the lower lash line really quick. So we got yellow. And then we go with green, which I think I'm gonna, yeah, this palette, man, this is bright. Okay, we're gonna go with the green in this palette too. And then it's blue and purple again. So I'm gonna take that blue again, but it's like a different color blue. So I'm gonna do a different kind of blue. And then a light purple. So I think that's it with the color. I feel like I need to put some kind of like shape to this because it's like, it's not complete. It doesn't feel complete. It would feel complete if I had the actual like diamonds, the little like studs she has. Like that would make it feel more completed, but I don't have that. So I think maybe I'm gonna try and draw this out more maybe and do it that way. I mean, I think that makes it a bit better. I'm gonna wait for this to dry and then I'm gonna do eyeliner. So we'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna use probably my favorite black that I always use if I'm gonna do any kind of eyeliner. I used the black out of the original Jaclyn Hill palette. Now this is the like first edition, like as soon as it came up for sale I bought it, very first palette. So the quality now is not the same, but I'm gonna take this black and try and do a wing because, well, actually doing a wing with eyeliner is really, really hard. So I'm not gonna try that. I have so much black pigment in my eye. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll get on with lashes. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this as fast as possible because I only have 14 minutes left on my memory card. I don't know why, so I'm gonna have to delete a bunch of stuff. I have like multiple eyeshadow looks that I did on my camera, so I should probably just delete those because I'm not gonna post them. I'm just gonna quickly do this. I can't see. I couldn't tell you what lashes these are. I am not sure. And yeah. Okay, now let me show you the mascara I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the Benefit They're Real mascara. This is just a mini sample. I think I have 2 of these. This is actually really good. I like it for my lower lashes especially, and to put my lashes together with the fake ones. I know this is looking rough, but when I come back we will see a completed look and hopefully it won't look too terrible. Be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the completed look. Again, I really wish that I didn't have two different shaped eyes because like it's just really hard to get it to look even on both sides. And like with like normal like neutral looks and stuff, it's easier to try and kind of get it all to blend and do it together. But like this eye is clearly a lot bigger than this side. This one's a lot smaller, shorter. This one's more long. So it's definitely a challenge to try and, sorry, I keep looking at myself while I'm talking because I'm just kind of like, I keep looking because it is kind of cool, but like also it doesn't look the best. But it was a challenge I tried. Let me know down below what you guys think of this. Yeah. I'll have this girl's Instagram linked below. You guys could totally go try it if you want. I mean, there's parts over here that I like more than this side, and then there's parts over here that I like more than this side. Why can't I just have two perfectly shaped eyes? Why? Anyways, I guess I'm gonna end the video here because I'm literally running out of memory card space. So go check out Noelle's channel. Go see the look that I had her create, and I'm sure it's gonna turn out like so beautiful. She hasn't done it yet. I'm the first one to do it, but I just know for a fact that it's gonna be thebomb.com. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, then give this a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!